Habol tayo sa last 5 units dahil 300,000 ang itataas sa price increase. Imagine kumita ka na ng 300,000 for only 20k reservation fee. Interested ka? Don't skip this video. Samahan niyo ako, silipin natin si New Villa Street. This is Pao Pepito, your home search badge. Approximately 45 minutes drive lang ito from Manila at 5 minutes drive lang ito going to SM Tansa. Along main road at malapit ito sa schools, markets, worship area, malls, at marami pang iba. Actual deliverable na to. Meron tayong 1 toilet and bath at 1 granite kitchen sink. And also, meron tayong service area sa back. At kung cornerer and unit ka, meron kang extra lot sa side. Provision ito for 1 carport na almost fully covered na. Complete amenities tayo for Newville. Meron itong clubhouse with pool, parks and playground, basketball court, with gated and secured community. We have 3 bedrooms dito sa second floor at meron tayong malawak na window para makapasok ang natural light and for proper ventilation. For our master's bedroom, meron tayong malawak na space at meron tayong door na connecting sa toilet and bath at balcony. Available ito through bank, in-house, at Pag-ibig financing for as low as 17,000 sa monthly amortization. If interested ka, just send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!